Hey everybody, KC, Professional Home Inspections. Talk a little bit about flashing today, and I'll show you guys a few things that I look for. Anytime, and I'm gonna turn this phone around, that you have differing claddings, you wanna see a transition flashing. So here we have vinyl siding, below we have brick veneer, and here they have done a transition flashing. No siding is waterproof. So, flashing serve two purposes: to allow any water that infiltrates in behind the cladding a means to escape, as well as trying to prevent water infiltration, at certain areas where it could be a problem. So, once again, we look here. This is going to be an L flashing, and it is going to go in behind what's called the WRB, or the Tyvek, in behind this vinyl siding, come and lip over. It should be, and I don't know how well you guys can see this, but this actually, due to this beveled edge, it pitches back towards the structure. So when it rains, rainwater sheathes down this siding, we're going to hold some degree of water here. And what we would have liked to have seen, of course, is this pitch away at 15 degrees. So as rainwater comes down, it simply sheathes right off your soldier brick here. As well, this flashing should be embedded in sealant. And, of course, as we look under there, it is not. But what's very important is seams in flashing need to be sealed. So you see this seam here where these two pieces of flashing meet. Well, let's show you, we do have some framed wall behind this area. Let's show you the repercussions of not properly sealing that seam, as well as the deficiencies with the flashing itself, not embedded and not pitched at 15 degrees. So as you look here, this is directly below the seam. You see a little bit of discoloration. We had a heavy rain last night, so a little bit of discoloration there on the brick. And that's from the backside out. So if you can see the camera there, and I don't know how well you can see it, but looking at, I've got some glare going on, but you can visibly see the cooler areas, the purple, representing that moisture. So it's one of those things where you do something right the first time, much easier to take care of. Coming back in now and redoing that is going to be tricky. It can be done, but this, once again, it's not nitpicking. We've got moisture behind the wall. Let's get the flashing addressed. Let's get it done right. These are things that you need to know. This is what a detailed, thorough inspection gets you. It's what I'll give you every time.